Please.
that's why tasks and procedures that are specified to a failure mode and an outcome are so important. When you write tasks for people to perform during their preventive or corrective maintenance actions, they need to be concise. They need to be telling that person what to do, what to look for, and know what good looks like. And ultimately, you're going to know what bad looks like. So
Hmm.
the reason that's so important is because if you have these things laid out in your CMMS, or maybe you just write them on a piece of doesn't whatever. CMMS take it out of the equation if you want, right? If you having concise tasks that are step by step in succession, that are pointing out failure modes, that are identifying things and telling you what to do and look for, then you're inherently, as the maintenance department, covering your ass, right? Because you have the work instructions that are structured so the technician to follow and sign off on their work order. So, your example, let's just say that we all work in that drywall plant and this one motor's been working beautifully forever, and then all of a sudden it gets hit with a big dose of drywall. Well, our preventive maintenance strategy is already built for that if we've been there, right?
Right.
So we need to be understanding, how does what we are doing now affect or have some sort of impact to what we think we need to do, right? So the idea here is to take away all the like what ifs and I thinks and create that standard task procedure that is followed to the T. And then also you create pass fail sections as well. So if you do inspect something and it does fail your what good looks like or whatever, then you're failing it and you're generating a corrective work order automatically to keep up with those things, right? So you're not just the technicians just go out and wander around the facility and go, oh, this doesn't look right, fail, and then it just disappears into the ether, right? It's keeping track of all those sequential work orders that are associated with that initial issue. But tasks, like I do a whole training free through Upkeep, which is task creation, preventive maintenance task creation, just how to write tasks for your work order system or for whatever.